Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about this nose wax kit. This is the 100-gram wax 24 application one, both for women and for men, and it goes up to 12 applications, you guys. This looks so crazy, so we're going to test it out, and I'm sure it's going to hurt a little bit, but we hope it's not going to hurt that bad. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. Alright guys, this is all that comes inside the package. So first you're going to have a little place to store all of this together, which is so great. This is the actual wax. As you can see, it even has a little handle for you to hold on to. These are the instructions, and this is actually a mustache guard. So if you have a little mustache, it's not going to drip on it and remove parts of your hair, so you can secure your mustache like so. You also have some post-waxing balm. This is so you can rub it inside and it doesn't hurt as much. And lastly, we have the applicators, which is what we're going to dip in wax and be putting inside our nose. This is so crazy, you guys. I can't wait to try this. And it is definitely a really cool concept to be able to wax the inside of your nose at home. So go check these out. These are not only so funny as a present to someone, but even as, just doing it for yourself. 10 out of 10, super cool product.